Hey guys, we're showing all my toys. You want to see my toys?
Why don't we show them what's there? What's underneath there? Wow!
This is my toys right here. The T-Rex. Can you see the T-Rex, Mom?
Yes, I can.
This one's heavy.
What is that one?
It's in America. Like this. See?
Nice. Is this a Toy Story?
Yeah.
Oh.
It goes faster and faster.
This one.
That's a PG Man.
That's a PJ Masks?
Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Do this, and they do like this.
Oh, cool.
This is the one.
What do you have there?
It's the Mickey Mouse guy.
Oh.
And you do like this, and you press this like that, like this, and you put it like that, and you do this.
Cool.
And then this one.
Does it make a sound?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. What is that?
Oh,
Oh,
it's a truck.
oh, okay. Does it make sound? Oh. You press it? Is there a button you can press?
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's not working.
It probably needs battery.
Yeah, because it's okay.
It's okay. Okay, let me see.
And then this one.
Ooh, what's that one?
It's about. It's the Toy Story.
Which one is that one?
The Hot Wheels Toy Story.
Ah, okay.
Under this one. I got a surprise for you, Mom.
Okay, what is it?
It's the Thomas. It's the Thomas Big ever.
Oh, cool.
See, hold it. Hold it. And then take it out. And go right here. And say that. And Thomas, here we come right now, okay?
Okay.
Another one toy.
Uh-huh. What toys do you have over here?
Story.
Uh-huh.
Game.
Actually, these are the coloring.
Mm-hmm.
And the
And superheroes.
superheroes. These are puzzles. So basically over here, this is when Isaac wants to do his stickers. Use his stickers. These are all his stickers. He grabbed all his stickers. And he has his coloring books here. So these are his puzzles. I'll show you guys how I organize on the next video. All his puzzles here. Whoa! And come here. And what do we have right here? Come here.
You want this to go back?
Whoa!
It has superheroes and you put it back, okay?
Oh yes, I will. You wanna just show it to them and then we'll put it back?
Yeah.
Okay, which one do you want? You wanna do the superheroes? The big superheroes?
Robot, Batman, Thor, Spider-Man, Robot, Marquine, and
Ronnie?
Ronnie,
Okay, that's Ronnie. I'm not sure his name. Dad will know, right?
War Machine,
Mm-hmm.
Captain America, Bumblebee, Hulk, Thanos, and Black Panther.
Good job.
I mean Wreck-It Ralph.
Whoa, Wreck-It Ralph. Okay, so Wreck-It Ralph, what do we do when we finish playing?
Yeah.
When we finish playing, what do we do?
To clean up.
Okay, let's go ahead and clean it. And where do we put it?
I'm right here. One is Bumblebee.
Good job. Okay, so where do we put that?
On here.
Okay, let's go get it.
A Toy Story Gretchen.
Oh, wow. Can you name them?
Bud, Woody, Jason, Zai, the RC car, another one, Bo-Peep, Ritz, Alien, Forky, Gabby, Dookaboom, Dookaboom, and Jessie,
That's not Jessie. Who is that?
Gabby, the duck, and Bonnie.
And who's that one? The dog.
Hmm?
Who's the dog? You're missing two.
Naked Dog, Officer My Dimples, Dookaboom.
Good job. And who's over here? Who's that?
Mr. Potato.
Mr. and Mrs. Potato.
Mommy, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my toys. Leave a comment and subscribe. See you next time.